Hello everyone, welcome to ITLS Academy. It is a great learning platform to learn anything and everything from the comfort of your home. Let me introduce myself. I am your mentor, Gitanjali Jha. I am a content creator, storyteller, experience designer, corporate trainer, and an author. With over 15 years of cross-functional experience across leading brands like H&M, Shoppers Stop, Godrej, and Future Group, I stand at the powerful intersection of business, creativity, leadership, and entrepreneurship. My journey has been one of turning ideas into impactful stories through visual design, transformational training programs, and the written words. As a corporate trainer, mentor, and entrepreneur, I have conducted pan India workshops on soft skills, technology, leadership, and professional excellence, impacting employees and emerging leaders across the retail and service industries. I don't just train people to perform better, I help them think like leaders, act like entrepreneurs, and build careers with ownership and purpose. I have had the privilege of serving as a guest lecturer at NIFT and Vogue Institute and of contributing to non-profit education initiatives through Unnati, where I work closely with young minds to help them rise beyond limitation and circumstances. Trust me, giving back brings boundless joys to us. Alongside my corporate journey, I am also a published fiction author of two novels, F Factor and Love Arranged. Storytelling is at the heart of everything I do. It shapes how I communicate, how I train, and how I help leaders connect with people, vision, and impact. My academic foundation includes a degree in fashion technology from NIFT, an MBA from NIRM, and professional certifications in digital marketing from Google and content design, a blend that fuels both strategic leadership and creative execution. Today, I work with leaders, startups, and entrepreneurs to help them build confidence, clarity, communication power, and conscious leadership so they don't just grow businesses, they build legacy driven brands and purpose led success. So, we learned about biotechnology leaders. We are now going to learn about building network, right? Or networking. This is lecture 8. Networking, let's understand the introduction. I hate networking. I can almost hear the collective moan from agency owners, marketers when the subject of networking comes up. Most of us think it is either a waste of time or it makes us feel uncomfortable, like used car salesman uncomfortable, right? So, we are the scientists, we are focusing on research, who bothers about networking? But no, if you want to be successful, relationship networking is an integral tool, right? Because we are dealing with humans, their emotions, their problems, their solutions, right? In today's world, networking is a necessity, and not just any networking, it's a new landscape of the hyper-connected selling where social media networking and old school sales and communication skills are the keys to building personal influence and creating human connections. So, now there are two kinds of networking. One is your offline persona where you connect face to face through conferences, team building activities, and second is your online digital presence, right? So how you present yourself in various social media platforms, be it LinkedIn, be it your website, be it your blog page, be it your Facebook, Insta. So how you are connecting to customers across social media. Now let's understand human, what they need for networking. Helpfulness. Everybody appreciate a kind hand, a smile, a quick hello, right? So helpfulness. Understand everybody is different. We are dealing with humans, not machines, right? So you have to be in their shoes to understand them better, be it your team, be it your board members, be it your venture capitalist, be it your customers, be it your marketing team, be it your collaborators, right? And then magic, a little magic does not hurt anywhere, right? It's Christmas season and you can see almost twinkle in children where they hear the name of Santa. So how do you make people believe in the magic of honesty, trustworthiness, integrity by building that team culture? And amuse, yes, you are in the very what to say, essential sectors such as healthcare, crops, but still how you can amuse or surprise your customers to make them smile, right? It's all not only about products, it's about overall customer experience. And nurture. How do you nurture the relationship which you have built? By continue doing all this. Great. Now, building a strong human relationship network involves being authentic, a great listener, and a proactive by focusing on mutual value, not transactions. This means showing genuine interest, communicating effectively, that is, listening more than talking, offering help, leveraging online tools like LinkedIn, attending events, workshops, and consistently nurturing connections through follow-ups and shared experiences like coffee chats or cross-functional projects to build trust and expand your social capital, right? This is network. What are the core principles of networking? Authenticity and value. Be yourself. That is most important. So real curiosity. Ask genuine questions and then be prepared to listen. How are you? And move on. No, that is not genuine. And look for ways to help others before asking for help. Genuine interest fosters deeper bonds. Active listening. Pay full attention. Ask why. Notice non-verbal cues and ask thoughtful follow-up questions to understand needs, right? Talk to somebody who is quite in a social circle and ask how they are doing, right? Then you show the real signs of caring. Give before you get. In our Indian scriptures, they say the more you give, the more you will get. So learn to give before you are looking to get. Offer expertise, make introductions, and be a resource to build social capital, right? Introduce to similar minded peoples, introduce people who are doing similar work together, help others build network, and your network is going to build automatically, right? Always remember, giving is joyful to those we give and to us as well. How to implement networking? We learned what is networking, why it is important. Now let's understand how to do this. Start with your foundation. Connect with people nearby and in your immediate circles, be it colleagues or entrepreneurs in your field, right? Communicate effectively, practice empathy, develop social skills, and use positive body language such as eye contact, leaning in. It shows genuine interest. Leverage online and offline. Attend local events, workshops, and industry conferences. Check online. We have lots of conferences coming up all the time. So you will get those updates on LinkedIn and on their page, even Insta. So if, for example, I am looking for Christmas carnivals for toddlers, I search this, and thanks to AI, I keep those information from all the social media tools and even in my Google search, right? So similarly, if you are looking for upcoming biotech webinars, startups for entrepreneurs, lots of IITs, IIM keep doing this on weekends. So catch up with them so that you can build network, right? Nurture connections. Send thank you notes, schedule coffee chats, suggest catch-ups, and offer introductions to others, right? So follow up with your connection. If somebody helped you in a small or big way, always remember to say thank you and follow up it with the thank you notes. See Amitabh Bachchan, he is 80, he is a legend, and still he sent handwritten flowers, handwritten notes with flowers if somebody performs very good, right? So he is building genuine human connection. Those handwritten letters will be treasures for the newcomers, right? That is their greatest trophy. So think how you can motivate somebody through your small gestures. Be present and approachable. Smile. Use names. Always learn the names of people. Call them by their first name. Give genuine compliments and break the ice by focusing on the other person. Join in. Volunteer, join internal teams, or participate in cross-functional projects to meet people organically, right? You never know whom you can connect. So always keep an open mind and be yourself. You don't have to pretend to be someone else to be likable. Just be yourself, learn to be polite, learn good table manners, and be empathetic. Great. This is all about networking, professional relationships, career. It helps you in different projects, stakeholders. So these are some of the areas where you can do networking, right? It is going to help you feel more satisfied, happier, and help you grow professionally much faster and in an organic way. Now, what are the key skills required for networking? Number one is self-awareness and self-regulation. Understand your needs and manage your emotions. Somebody who is too self-obsessive is not going to make friends. Somebody who is always talking about the problems, people don't like to hear them. So try to listen to them, share interesting stories which is generally going to help them, connect with them. Empathy. Understand others' perspectives. How we can understand others? First step is listening, right? So understand what they are facing. If you are in a group of small startups and you are a part of big venture capitals or a big pharmaceutical, try to understand their problems. Don't shoo them away, because right now you have finance but they have the idea, so you two can collaborate. If you are a small startup and you are meeting people of big pharmaceutics, don't think, oh, they are money minded people. No, 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 you can take their help, you can learn from them. Everybody, or not even if everybody, most of us start small and then we grow, right? Social skills, teamwork, conflict resolutions, and communication. So as a leader, you have to work in team, you have to collaborate, you have to communicate, you have to build partnerships, right? And where there are more people, conflict is bound to happen, but how quickly and effectively we resolve those conflicts is the sign of a great leader. And communication, right? Remember, we have to be patient. Strong relationships take time to build. You cannot meet somebody else and expect them to say yes to all your requests, right? You have to build that slowly. Sometimes you get yes in the first meeting, sometimes it takes time. Be patient, right? And always see how you can help others as well, right? It should not be one way. Be strategic. Focus your energy on connections that align with your goals. Yes, there are many people who can be our network, but do our values match? Do I feel the positive vibes? If somebody is draining your energy, you can always go back to someone else which is like in same frequency, right? You don't have to force to be with somebody. It has to be a win-win situation for both, right? Yes, it does. Even if you're not liking somebody, you have to be always polite and make the conversation short and move on, right? Till we don't attempt, we don't know whom our vibes will match. Now, time to explore it further. Explore the nearest biotech cluster. Learn about them, know the people, visit them, and build your network. Go, ask them for coffee or plan a quick lunch. If there is some community event which they can be interested in, for example, some institute where they are calling the experts, you can always invite them, so you can go there together, spend time, and motivate the young generation. Based on your today's learning, what will be the USP of your startup? What will be its story? How you will define its values, mission, and vision? So now we have learned a lot about startup entrepreneurship and leadership. So jot down what you want to go into, what will be its USP, how you are going to make your ideas turn into reality, what is the story of your organization, what will be the values which are non-negotiable, what will be the mission, the long-term vision, right? Great. Follow us on social media, Insta, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn. Subscribe to our channel to get more related articles and keep learning. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. You can call us at our helpline number, and if you have any doubts, you can also comment in the comment section. Have a great day. I'll see you soon with next video.